Hi guys, this video is from KhoobSurati.com studio, and today in this video I'll be showing you how to do waterfall braid hairdo. First of all, comb your hair thoroughly and remove tangles, if any, in your hair. Now take a portion of hair from the right hand side, divide it into 3 parts, and start making a braid. Now what you have to do is, while making a braid, take a new portion from the left hand side after every twist. Repeat the above until hair on left hand side has been completely used. Now complete the braid and fix it with remaining hair on right hand side. Guys, your amazing waterfall pattern hairstyle is ready to flaunt. So this is the final and the finished look that you will get. Guys, I hope you like this video. For better hair care and styling, click here to buy from KhoobSurati.com. So that you can tell me what you want to see in my next video. Guys, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Get connected to us for the most happening and interesting things on Facebook,